Hello, welcome to Archbishop Williams High School located in Braintree, Massachusetts. Today you're going to have the opportunity to hear all about our amazing school. Let's go.
Archbishop Williams was founded in 1949 by the Sisters of Charity of Nazareth. Let's have a look inside of our newly remodeled auditorium. Over the past 2 years, we have put in a state-of-the-art sound and lighting system, brand new theater seats, and even rebuilt the entire stage. During the school day, students come here for lessons, liturgies, and of course, our shows. Each year, the Williams Theater Arts puts on 2 major productions, a fall play and a spring musical. This year, we will be doing War of the Worlds, a panic broadcast. Even if students do not want to sing, dance, or act on stage, they can participate in the tech, lighting, or set design crew.
This is the Williams Volpe Gymnasium, which was recently renovated top to bottom thanks to our generous donors, the Volpe family. This is where grades 7 through 9 take PE lessons and where our cheer, volleyball, and basketball teams play. Up here is the student balcony, where our friends and classmates come to cheer us on at the big games. Most of our sports are offered at the varsity, JV, and freshman levels. All students grades 7 through 12 are eligible to participate. AWHS is also a huddle school with cameras and stats tracking, which means that coaches and players can work together to create highlight reels.
This is the Dignan Athletic Training Center, also known as the DIG. Students in all grades, regardless of whether they are athletes or not, are able to come down here every day and exercise with our Williams Strength and Conditioning coach. We also have an athletic trainer who oversees all of our athletic programs.
Make sure to go check out our athletics website, gobishops.com. There you will be able to view all of our 24 MIA sanctioned sports, view rosters, and meet captains and coaches.
This is the McGrath Student Center and Dining Hall, renovated in 2017 with a brand new kitchen facility for our food service provided by Nextdine. Using our student ID, we could choose to purchase a meal or bring our own from home. Breakfast and lunch is served daily and all foods cooked on site. Students have a wide range of healthy entrees and sides to choose from.
We can also utilize the space for different student-life events, as well as a space for upperclassmen to use as a study cafe. The school day begins at 8:12 a.m. and ends at 2:20 p.m., but students are able to come down here in the morning at 7 a.m. until 5 p.m. with teacher supervision.
During that time, students can get extra help from teachers, participate in some clubs and activities such as Mali United Nations, student government, ambitious ambassadors, math team or robotics, speech and debate, and dance club.
Each semester we have over 20 different clubs to choose from, and if we don't have something that you're interested in, you can even start your own.
Welcome to Campus Ministry. This is where we lead the spiritual life of our school. Students participate in fun class retreats and are required to do community service. Every year, bishops can choose between a wide variety of on- and off-campus opportunities, partnering with places where we dedicate our time. As a junior, you can apply to be a peer mentor as a campus minister, assisting with monthly liturgies, class retreats, and directing prayer services. This is the Archbishop Williams Chapel, where Father Wally will hold an open mass on Tuesday and Thursday mornings for anyone who wishes to attend. Each month we hold a school-wide liturgy where members of our chorus and orchestra will perform. Theology is a required subject here. Although we are a Catholic institution, all religious faiths and backgrounds are accepted.
The Nazaro Lab was made possible by the generosity of the Nazaro family. Classroom instruction and laboratory experiments in biology and chemistry, along with some of our very intriguing science electives, such as environmental science, forensics, and anatomy, happen here. Additional AP and physics labs are located around campus. Fun fact about this room, the entire wall is a whiteboard.
Each classroom has a smartboard or an Apple TV. All students in grade 8 through 12 are required to bring laptops to school every day. Students in grade 7 are given Chromebooks.
During the day, teachers use Schoology to post notes, lectures, and materials.
This year, all of our remote learners log into live Zoom classes using our 360-degree OWL camera technology.
Welcome to the Williams Library, where students can come to use our online research databases, check out books, and come for 9th grade skills lessons. We are a part of the Massachusetts and Commonwealth Catalog Library Network, which gives us access to any public library resource in the state. If a student is looking for a certain book that we don't have, we are able to receive deliveries twice a week. 11th and 12th graders, in excellent academic standing, may even be invited to participate in virtual high school, which gives them the opportunity to take over 200 courses that we don't offer in the classroom, giving us the opportunity to participate in unique electives like poems, accounting, personal finance, and even some additional higher level AP courses.
The Guidance in College Counseling program at Archbishop Williams begins in the 7th grade when students take Latin as their foreign language. In the 8th grade, students prepare for college admissions by taking the first practice round of their PSAT exam.
Once a student enters the 9th grade, he or she will be assigned one guidance counselor for the next 4 years of high school, during which time we have the opportunity to map out high school courses and receive step-by-step instructions on how to prepare for entering into the college of our dreams.
In the summer before senior year, students go to college boot camp where they practice working with peers and writing essays. 65% of students are finished with this process by the fall of senior year.
Another amazing opportunity for our upperclassmen is to participate in internships with the Office of Student Life, Admissions and Marketing Department, Theater Department, Athletics Department, and Campus Ministry, where we will receive first-hand experience and knowledge working in a professional environment alongside our faculty and staff.
Archbishop Williams would be so proud.
Welcome to Nazareth Hall, our second building on campus and home to the 7th and 8th grade, homerooms, lockers, and classrooms, and also the art, theater, and music wing. Let's check out some of the new classrooms renovated over the last 5 years.
This is one of the math classrooms at Naz Hall. At Archbishop Williams, students have the opportunity to take courses at 4 different levels: advanced placement, honors, accelerated, and college prep. Each schedule is individualized so that students can be challenged in a supportive learning environment.
At Archbishop Williams, we offer Latin for all 7th graders, and in the 8th grade throughout the rest of high school, students will choose between Spanish or French. During the school year, the Foreign Language Department offers exchange trips to Europe and South America for immersive educational experiences. I also participate in Spanish and French club after school.
The Williams Art and Theater Department offers so many different courses, from traditional painting, drawing, and photography, while also bringing 21st century technology into the classrooms with Introduction to Engineering, Digital Media, and Introduction to Coding and Web Design electives.
Students can also take theater, contemporary music, and choir electives. We also have an amazing recording studio which uses the latest Apple software and SoundCloud.
If an art elective doesn't fit into a student's schedule, all the courses can be taken before or after school as a club or activity. We have 3D printers, laser wood cutters, sewing machines, and sculpture making materials to encourage creative design and to foster a passion in the arts.
Connecting the 3 buildings on campus is the McDonald Amphitheater, made possible by the McDonald family. Out here, we host different events, PE lessons, eat lunch, have outdoor study time, and college boot camp. After school, the cross-country team will meet here, as well as the fitness and conditioning club and the skateboarding club.
This is Memorial Field. Our multi-million-dollar turf field is home to the Williams Athletics football, soccer, track, and lacrosse teams. It's about a 5-minute walk from campus and draws huge crowds at big games and events.
We also have our hockey, baseball and softball, golf, tennis, and swim teams use other off-campus facilities.
I'm Dr. Volanino. Dr. V, as the students call me, the very proud principal of Archbishop Williams. And here at Archie's, we truly believe that our students are our most precious commodity. And we know that you are entrusting them to our care as parents. So I want to share with you just a little bit of what we have done in order to prepare our facilities to keep a true college preparatory learning environment that is safe, where everyone feels as secure as we can. When you walk into our classrooms, you'll notice custom designed plexiglass shields on every single desk. You'll notice air filtration systems, both refining our HVAC and portable air filter units to create as many changes of air and filter out virus particles that may be transmitted that escape the shields. Of course, we're all wearing masks, and we are very proactive and attentive to make sure that we have good compliance with that. We have worked really hard, too, to reduce our class sizes which were already small, to be even smaller in order to make sure that we can have as much distance as possible within the classroom. Additionally, we have put in a lot of other little safety procedures along the way to keep people apart in the hallways, to regulate bathrooms and so forth, so that every aspect of the student's day we're attentive to safety. Coupled with this, we have made a true commitment to have a genuine remote learning option. We've installed OWL cameras, which are 360-degree cameras in every classroom, so that if you do choose to learn remotely or you need to learn remotely, you can truly feel like you're in the classroom. And students that are in the classroom in person also can be attentive to the students and hear the students and converse with them that are at home. We've also worked really hard on professional development, partnering with our teachers, meeting constantly to refine our instructional practices so that we can be attentive to the student that's in front of us and the student that's at home learning remotely. In short, Archbishop Williams has truly rethought of the way we conduct school. That includes even our schedule. When you come in, it's a relaxed pace. There's time in between classrooms. There's mass breaks. Every aspect of our day has been thought and rethought in order to create a dynamic learning environment and one in which students feel safe, secure, and cared for. Because that's who we are. That's our mission. When we say the love of Christ drives us on, we truly mean it. And it infills every single aspect of our day. So again, thank you for considering our school. I hope we have the opportunity to talk a little bit more about all of the opportunities that Archbishop Williams has for your son or daughter.
Thank you so much for joining our 2020 open house event. Please go to our website, awhs.org, for more detailed information about Archbishop Williams. Call or email to schedule a private on-campus tour with the Director of Admissions. See you soon!